Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually track your DHL packaging. But before we start the video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will just dive into our video now. So to do so, first thing you will do is just go to your phone browser over here. You will go to search bar and search DHL tracking. So once you search that, you will see this particular links and the search results over this. We tap on this tracking DHL Nepal. Apparently, since it gets with the country code as well, since I'm from Nepal and it is located, so what I will do is whatever the tracking code that I had once I done the shipment, you will get that code either in your message box over here, or you can simply get that code in your email as well. Then what you will simply come over here, search like just DHL tracking, enter your tracking number that you have while doing the shipment, right? Simply tap on that, tap on this track option, and it will give you all the shipment tracking here in this browser over here. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. Simply copy your tracking code. Don't lose the tracking code. Make sure not to delete any of the messages and the emails, and come there, paste your code and get your schedule. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have more concerning comments, do leave them in the comments, so we'll try to sort it out for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.